Hi, my name is Anna. Thanks for listening to my video discussion. The textbook defines psychopathology as the field concerned with the nature, development, and treatment of psychological disorders, and that is from Kring and Johnson, 2020. From my own Christian worldview, and after reading and watching the content from this week, I don't necessarily think that my definition of psychopathology would change, but more so the treatment of people with psychological disorders differs from the secular view of how psychological disorders should be treated and how our secular society treats those with mental illness. I believe that spirituality and one's relationship with God is an important and often overlooked component of mental wellness. And while you can't pray away mental illness, spirituality and the sense of community that comes along with that can be a protective factor, and it can be a source of healing along with medication and talk therapy and other treatments specific to one's diagnosis. An interesting article I found on the effects of spirituality on depression in the elderly says that the relationship between depression and self-perceived health among elders is mediated by spiritual well-being, and that is from Salmon, 2019. A secular view of abnormality could mean viewing abnormality as something that needs to be handled individually or something you need to fix on your own, and that contributes to the stigma that people with mental health conditions face. A lot of times, people with severe mental illness, such as schizophrenia or severe depression, are looked at as a burden on society or as not contributing to society. But as Christians, we are called to love our neighbors as ourselves, even our neighbors who might struggle with mental illness. And a spiritual or Christian view includes the importance of community and with helping one another, and that no one should have to hide away their abnormalities or deal with that on their own, because God loves all of us unconditionally, regardless of our abnormalities. When dealing with abnormalities and different mental health disorders, I think of the Bible verse from Matthew 7 that says, "Do not judge, or you too will be judged." To me, psychopathology through a Christian worldview means seeing people as whole beings worthy of love, and not defining or judging people by a diagnostic label